Hey everyone, so now I'm going to go through and demo all the moves at a mostly full speed. I'm going to do it without music first, so you guys can get a feel of the counts, and then I'm going to go through and we're going to do it with music, so that way you guys can see what it's like at a full speed. So starting off, we're going to do basic side to side. So basic side to side is going to be the 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, tap, 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, tap. The same thing is going to apply to the forward and back basic. So forward basic is going to look like forward 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, tap, 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, tap. Then with a two-step, you're going to just go shift, mostly just like on a weight shift. So it's going to be the 1, tap, 2, tap, right? So it's just the basic two-step. So on the full count, you're just pretty much doing like at the beginning of the song, you're just still trying to get into it, the mood and waiting for the actual beat to start. It was just going to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to move on to the left and right hand turns. So the left and right hand turns, the lefts are going to be done on the first 4 counts, and then the right's going to be done on the 5 to 8 counts. So starting off with the left hand turn, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, tap. That's a left and right hand turn. I'll do them with just the basics. So if you're doing a left hand turn, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then going into basic 5, 6, 7, 8, and then with the right hand, you just start off with the basic. So reverse the order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So both of them together is going to look like 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, tap.